so quiet after that song. I never thought you'd go this far. Last night you had me by the heart. This morning caught me by surprise. Seeing you gone made me realize if I'm a victim. Hey, I'm a victim. The love police ought to lock you up. 'Cause I'm a victim of you. I really wanted you to be the one, but all you wanted was a little fun. Yeah, at the time it was feeling right, and now I see you in a different light. I'm a victim. Hey, I'm a victim. The love police ought to lock you up. Yeah, 'cause I'm a victim of you. Come on, right? They would lock you up and hide the key from all the hurt that you're causing me. Yeah, Mama warned me about your kind, and breaking hearts ought to be a crime. 'Cause I'm a victim. Hey, I'm a victim. The love police ought to lock you up. 'Cause I'm a victim of you. Hey, I'm a victim. Oh, I'm a victim. The love police ought to lock you up. 'Cause I'm a victim of you. A victim of you. Oh, I'm a victim of you. Thank you so much. I get a little excited. Y'all mind if I do a very brand new song? I've been working pretty hard on finding different avenues to start pitching my songs. And because I do tell a lot of stories in my songs, I've been really trying to get over into the film industry. Thank you so much, sweetie. And so when you start working for the movies, or when you're trying to attempt to start working for the movies, it's a totally different ballgame. This song right here I wrote with Mr. Taylor Craven and Megan McMillan. It gets a little deep here, y'all. Get your boots on. Just so you know, I've never played this out live. to the haunting of loneliness and the absence of sound. No way to empathize unless you've been there. No way to justify, oh, it tortures me, I swear. Why keep striking matches all covered in gas? Walking the high wire, just praying the high will last. I know that it's crazy just to crave the way it feels, or have the barrel of the gun in my mouth and loving the taste of steel. Yeah, I'm guilty. I should be ashamed. Keep passing me the bottle. I won't pass the blame. I know I'm in hell, 'cause that's where I stay. Someone pass me a life flow, 'cause I'm gonna have to pray. Why keep striking matches all covered in gas? Walking that high wire, praying the high will last. I know that it's crazy just to crave the way it feels, or have the barrel of the gun in my mouth and loving the taste of steel. Striking matches all covered in gas. Walking that high wire, just praying that I will last. I know that it's crazy, oh, to crave the way it feels, or have the barrel of the gun in my mouth and just loving the taste of steel. Just in case you were unaware of what that song's about. It's about addiction, and it's about loving something that you necessarily don't want all the time. But this song right here is about killing my daddy. I wrote this with Miss Cass Hunter. Mama's never been one bit crazy. Daddy runs around, thinks he's slick. Don't know how to treat a lady. Slaps us around, calls Mom a witch. So many years Mama's been beat down. Yesterday our whole world changed. I could see the rage instead of the fear. Mama's anger took over her pain. She grabbed that gun. Shotgun. Couldn't bear to watch an unfair fight. Never knew it would get this bad. I saw Mama fall, I was against the wall, and everything just happened so fast. I grabbed that gun. Daddy's 12 That girl, Daddy's 12-gauge shotgun. First time for me, but how hard could it be? I can't believe he is the one I need protection from. He's 6 feet away, a quick decision I made. I shot him, yelled, run, mama, run. Heard on the news that they're looking for leads about a body found floating down the Cumberland. And mama somewhere crying out to the Lord, I'm just praying they don't find that gun. That gun. It's Daddy's 12-gauge shotgun. Always loaded, 2 in the chamber, propped in a corner looking for a stranger. Yeah, Daddy never thought he'd be the one looking down the barrel of his own shotgun. That gun. Oh, it's Daddy's 12-gauge shotgun. That gun. Daddy's 12-gauge shotgun. That gun. Daddy's 12-gauge shotgun. Thank y'all so much. Raj, why don't you do us a song, man?
I might know one.
Would y'all like to hear Raj do a song? I appreciate you so much for coming and hanging out with me, Raj. Raj jumped on the train with me, 4 days ago? 4 days ago, and I'm so grateful to our mutual friend, the Ledfords down in Mississippi, for connecting us, and Raj being able to come out on the road with me. I'm on my Eastbound Throwdown tour right now. We just started yesterday. We got 11, 12 days out on the road, and so it's been pretty crazy so far. But y'all, we're just getting started, and we're so excited to be here. So y'all give it up for my newfound music buddy and songwriter, Mr. Raj Tipton.
I give you a little history on this song. I went through a custody battle for my son, and I raised a daughter for 8 years, and me and her had to go to Arizona every month to see my boy and her brother. I came back from the desert one time. She didn't go with me, and I'd lost my mind. And it just so happened to be her 16th birthday, and all I could do was write her this song, and that's all I had left. It's called From Arkansas to Arizona. From Arkansas to Arizona, 1,000 miles and back again. And though they never like the desert, they'll always go back there again. They live their life out on the highway, but now she's old enough to drive. He's hoping she won't pick up his ways, at least not while he's still alive. He'll be out in the country looking for some peace of mind. Tonight he'll be in some big city, plucking strings and telling lies. One day they fell in love together. One day they fell apart and cried. One day they'll all get back together, and maybe he can find his mind. Then she'll keep it all together, just so he can see her smile. Tonight She'll lay in bed and wonder if he still holds them in his mind. So from Arkansas to Arizona, 1,000 miles and back again. Though they never liked the desert, you'll always go back there for him. That gets me a little tearjerky
Isn't
every
that
now.
great? He's so great. I love the way he organizes his stories. It's pretty amazing stuff.
Thank you.
I'm now a Rod Tipton fan.
Me too.
So I've seen some friends come in earlier that I've met down at Frank Brown. And I just want to thank y'all so much for coming, and it means the world to me to see faces that I've seen at other shows. So, do you have that tuner, honey?
Yes, ma'am. There you go.
Thank you so much. Anyway, the reason I'm telling this story about Frank Brown is one, I'm so blessed and cherished, and I cherish all the friendships and all the families that I've made over the last 3 years down there. And there's a lot of things that have opened. The doors have opened due to that festival, and I'm just so honored to be a part of it. And I met this young lady, or I didn't actually meet her the first year, but Miss Ava Page. Have you ever heard of Miss Ava Page? I met her. She seen me play down at Frank Brown a few years back, and she had come up and wanted to start writing, and we started this song, and it migrated into what it is now. And I wish Ava was here to where she could actually tell her story, because I don't even feel obligated or even worthy of telling her precious story. But I think her mother would be okay with me just saying that this is an amazing. If she was 14 years old when I met her, and she was diagnosed with leukemia in July, and we started writing this song a year prior to her being diagnosed. And the song originally was just a regular old, just, I'm lonely song and all that kind of stuff. And when Ava was in the hospital going through, it was a horrible ordeal. So y'all just do me a favor, go check out Ava Page, and you can follow her whole story over the leukemia. And but while she was in the hospital, they called me up and they wanted me to be a part of their benefit, and they wanted everyone to sing the songs that we had written with Ava. And so this song wasn't completely finished yet, and I didn't want to bother Ava or anything, and so I texted her mom, and I was like, well, does she mind if I switch this up a little bit, because it means so much more now than what it did when we started it a year ago. So any songwriters are in the house, you know the feeling, and you know what I'm talking about, how a song can literally start somewhere and it not mean anything to you, and a year or 10 years later it mean the absolute world to you, and could even wake you up and get you through the next day. So this one right here is for my friend and my co-writer, Miss Ava Page, and I can't thank her enough for this song. This is my story. Little girl with auburn hair, the crooked smile made 'em all stare. Never had the right clothes to wear. She couldn't see what they seen, didn't want to believe what they believed. Wore her heart on her sleeve. Oh, it hurts. But before it got any worse, he sent her an angel's hand to hold, right when the world was trying to take her soul. Oh, friends come and friends will go. ain't fair. No matter what it takes, don't be scared. There's only one road paved in gold. Oh, when you need him, he'll send you an angel's hand to hold. Little girl with auburn hair, people said she'd never go anywhere. Damage was deep, no one cares. But she picked herself up off the ground, and amazing grace, how sweet the sound. If y'all could see her now, oh, when it gets tough, before she gave it all up, he sent her an angel's hand to hold. Right when the world was trying to take her soul. All friends come, but friends will go. Times are hard and living ain't fair. No matter what it takes, don't be scared. There's only one road paved in gold. He'll send you an angel's hand to hold. Yeah, when it gets tough, he'll send you an angel's hand to hold. Thank y'all.